My name is Pratima Singh and I am Dhaka Frontier's Practice Lead for Asia Pacific Research and the author of our report on building a customer-centric B2B company. B2B companies are facing intensifying competitive pressure, limiting their product differentiation and increasing the threat of commoditization, which is all leading to tighter margins. B2B customers are also acting much more like consumers. They're researching their options, expecting much more from every interaction, and becoming generally much more demanding. Moreover, for multinationals, what works for customers in their home market doesn't necessarily translate to customers in emerging markets, which exposes multinationals to low-cost local competitors. It's getting much more difficult to win in these markets. To meet these challenges, B2B executives are turning towards customer centricity. Customer centricity is not a new concept. Companies know it's a good idea to get closer to customers. The challenge really comes in defining what this means across the organization and in walking the walk. A customer-centric company is one that uses the customer as the reference point for decision-making across the organization. For the customer, this means getting what they expect and having an experience that's tailored to their needs. For companies, this means adding value for the customer and really delivering an experience that customers feel is personalized. Of course, that has to be within the bounds of the business. Putting more focus on customers can create a number of commercial benefits for B2B companies. These include deeper customer engagement and loyalty, increased share of wallet, lower cost to serve, more engaged employees, and better differentiation. One Gallup poll found that highly customer-centric companies increase their overall revenue and sales by 50% and increase profitability by 34%. Dhaka Frontier has identified 5 activities that are required for companies to transform into customer-centric organizations. We call them the 5 A's. The first is awareness. What are my current levels of customer centricity and how do these relate to what my customers actually expect? The second is analysis. How well do I know my customers? The third is alignment. Who are my internal stakeholders and how aligned are they? The fourth is accountability. Who is accountable for implementing our customer centricity initiative and how am I measuring and tracking their progress? And the fifth is action. What specific actions should I take to execute on my customer centricity transformation? Customer centricity is more than just gathering customer insights. It's using those insights and adjusting overall business strategy. That comes with challenges. Executives have to manage multiple stakeholders, different priorities, organizational barriers, and they also need to ensure buy-in from everyone across the organization. To help executives with this transformation, Dhaka Frontier has created best practices and practical recommendations. Our research dives deeper into the 5 A's, discusses the 4 levels of customer centricity readiness, and highlights the 7 hallmarks of company transformations. Executives can download the executive summary to find out more.